Hi kindergartners, it's Miss Literal. We are headed into a fun book today. This one is titled Dog's Colorful Day. I love all the different colors that God created, but I also love dogs. So when I found this book, I was super excited because it combines two really fun things. So while we're reading this story, I want you to think about what's your favorite animal that God designed and what your favorite color is. This is a dog. As you can see, dog is white with one black spot on his left ear. At breakfast time, dog sits under the table as usual. Splat! A drip of red jam lands on his back. Now dog has 2 spots. After breakfast, dog runs outside. He slips past the man that's painting the front door. Splash! His tail dips into the blue paint. Now dog has 3 spots. Dog runs to the park and he rolls in the grass. Squash, squash, squash. The grass makes a green stain on his white coat. Now dog has 4 spots. Dog follows the little boy eating chocolate. Squish, squish. The boy gives the dog a chocolatey pat, but no chocolate. Now dog has 5 spots. A bee buzzes up to see what's going on. Squish, squish. The bee drops yellow pollen as it flies by. Now dog has 6 spots. Dog trots through the park. Splosh, splosh. A drop of pink ice cream lands right on his ear. Now dog has 7 spots. Time to go home. Dog runs up the street. Splash, splash. A bouncing ball splatters dog with gray mud. Now dog has 8 spots. In the front gate, the dog steps on a carton of orange juice. Splurt! A patch of orange appears on his leg. Now dog has 9 spots. Dog races back inside the house and knocks right into Vicky. Silly dog! Vicky's purple marker leaves a smudge right on dog's head. Now dog has 10 spots. Vicky looks down at dog. She counts his colorful spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vicky looks more closely. Dog has a red spot of jam, a blue blob of paint, a green stain of grass, a brown smear of chocolate, a yellow patch of pollen, and a pink drop of ice cream, a gray splatter of mud, and an orange splash of juice, and a purple smudge of ink, and of course, a black spot on his left ear. You need a bath, dog. When dog climbs into his bed, he has just 1 black spot on his left ear. Good night, dog. What a very colorful day you've had. The end. Did you think about your favorite color? Did you think about your favorite animal? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Love you guys.